Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
EA Sports welcomes you back, along with Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski, set to bring you all the play-by-play. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
We are about set to drop the puck as both setters make their way into the dot. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Great glove save! Dreisaitl's won it off the faceoff, and he slides it quickly to Kuhnhackl. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Sends it down low. Takes that pass back at the point. Sends the pass over. Puts the puck on net with the stop. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Takes the return feed. Niederreiter's going to play it against the half wall. Now a quick pass to Spiza. Gets it to the other point. Slides the puck over. And now he passes up to Meyer. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Germany's got a hold of it against the wall. Carries it across the line. A chance in front. Backhander gives them nothing in front.
This is a quality chance that the goaltender turns aside right from the slot.
Off the mask of the goaltender. Boy, right between the eyes.
What do you think hurts more? He's got a headache or his jaw's sore? That thing was a bullet.
Officials blowing the play dead. We've got a penalty on the way here. Hooking's the call. This is what they kind of call the lazy penalty these days,
yeah,
right?
But really the problem is you're beat and you panic and you're trying to help, and the more you help, the worse it gets. Go sit down.
And he certainly dug himself a hole there. Team Germany's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
It's their first power play of the game. What a great chance to break this scoreless tie. Start with a face-off win. Get the puck to the point. Start moving it around before you attack the net. Have a clear plan.
Haas wins the faceoff. Team Switzerland's got the puck along the boards. Gets it out of his own end. Germany's regained possession of the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes the pass in the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance.
And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Through center along the wing. Takes the feed from the left side. Huge steal in his own end. Takes the pass through the middle. Along the half wall with the puck. Great chance in front. Great save by the goaltender. Just real smart positioning on that one. And manages to clear the zone. Seidenberg's got it in the defensive end. Moves around along the half wall. Penalty has expired. Both sides back to even strength.
You're always angry when you don't score on the power play, but 80% of the time you don't. Yet it becomes really frustrating when you let one slip away.
Takes it across the blue line. Takes the feed at the back end. Comes up with the stop. Gotch has won the draw. And now he moves it quickly to Boyle. Can't get it to go. Denied by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. On the attack along the boards. Switzerland's got the puck along the wall. Over the line they come. Quick pass to Weber. Back at the point, they set it up. Comes up with the block. Gets that puck back on a stick. That one's off the blocker. Puck scooped up by Mueller. Oh, smart heads-up play to poke that one away. Slides the puck across to Gotch. And now it's over to Reimer. Inside the offensive zone, takes the pass from along the boards. With the stop. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Up along the wing. They've got the defense outnumbered. Slides it across. Centering pass. And makes the save. And he gains the zone here. Moved in front. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Team Germany's got a hold of it along the wall. Here's a chance right in the slot. Stopped by the goaltender. Here they come on the attack. Good battle along the boards for the puck. Nice poke check. Here's a shot. Just wide.
He's got to do something a little better than that. Just can't finish it from there.
Wonder if that gives him a nightmare later. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Sends a pass over. Feeds it down low. Grabs the puck. Handles the puck. Carries it in. With possession along the wall. And it's knocked away with a stick save by the goaltender.
Oh, you're not going to get a better chance than that, but the goalkeeper does a great job.
Suter's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Slides the puck ahead to Suter. Suter's got the puck. Here he is in front. Knocked away. Germany's gained possession along the boards. And they go back on the attack in the offensive zone. Reeder's got it across the line. Lets it go. Denied by the blocker. Whistle blown as the puck is directed out into the crowd, and a souvenir for some lucky fan tonight. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Nothing doing. Heischer's moving the puck through his own zone. Puck grabbed by Heischer. Oh, what a stop with the stick. Puck picked up by Meyer. Taken by Kuhnhackl. He carries the puck up along the wing. Kuhnhackl's got it deep in the offensive end. Referee signaling for a penalty. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Pretty easy call to make, or hooking right here.
Well, he gets a stick around his waist, then he stops skating. It's almost like he's advertising for the penalty.
Back to the face-off circle. They'll send the man advantage unit out again.
Well, they get another chance here. They've earned the power play. They haven't got anything on their power plays yet. Haven't had a lot of them, but here's a nice chance for them.
Gets in front of it.
Save is good. Better yet, that rebound doesn't stay in front of the net. It's over to safety in the corner.
Gets it out of his own end. Team Germany's got a hold of it against the wall. Tosses it to Draisaitl. A little banging and crashing now. Grabs the puck here in the neutral zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Turned aside with the glove.
Since nobody scored, each team trying to find a little bit of room on the ice. When you can collect a hit like this, everyone on your bench notices.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And he makes the save. Penalty coming up here as the play is stopped. The call is hoofing on the play.
This is a penalty of bad positioning. You reach out to try and slow the guy down, you're going to get called almost every time.
The power play unit goes to work with a two-man advantage.
Too often a 5-on-3 is not as dangerous as it should be because the guys are looking for the perfect play. Every time you have a man advantage, you have to have in your mind, you have to outwork the penalty killers.
And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through him.
Good job tangling up his opponent here. A little crashing and banging forces the turnover. And now it's grabbed by Yossi. And a delayed penalty coming up as he got tripped up. Yossi's got it into offensive territory. And the goaltender gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Here comes the official's decision. Looks like tripping the call.
Sometimes they're lazy, sometimes they're just bad luck.
A little 4-on-4 coming up here.
This is the time, James, you get your skill guys into the game more frequently. 4-on-4 is open ice. It's danger if you have skill, and the team with the most skill is probably going to be the best.
Time of the penalty, 12 minutes, 31 seconds.
Lets it fly. Blocker save. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Mueller. Germany's got the puck along the boards. Boyle's got it on the offensive end. And now he moves it to Reeder. Makes the save. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Stopped by the blocker. Penalty expires, and the PP unit gets set to go to work. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. From the back of the cage with the puck. Slides the puck down low. From the blue line. Long jam in front. That's broken up. Mueller's got it in the offensive zone. And he comes up with the save. And manages to clear the zone. And the man advantage unit comes up empty-handed. We keep things deadlocked with both teams back at even strength.
Too passive, not aggressive enough. The puck gets moved around the outside of the penalty killers. Really doesn't become a dangerous power play.
Along the half wall with the puck. Scores! It's in the back of the net!
Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
Team Germany's first goal of the game is a timely one here, Ray.
We talked this morning about whether these two teams would play a defensive or offensive game. The thought was that they'd score a lot. Hasn't been that case so far.
Handles the puck from the left side. Moves it to Fiala. Pass right on the doorstep. Stones him in front.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save.
Germany's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Reimer swooping in on the attack. And now he angles it across to Gotch. Great positioning in the defensive end.
No need to be risky with the puck when your team's winning the game.
Moves it around along the half wall. Quick feed down low. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Into the offensive end now. Great heads-up play by the defender. On the attack along the boards. Pass back to the point. Here's a shot! That goes off a twig. Reimer's carrying it ahead. Lets it go. Denied by the goaltender. Team Germany's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. And he loses both the puck and his balance after that hit. Takes a bump and loses control of the puck. Carries it across the line. Moves right to the middle. Takes the pass from the boards. Makes his presence known on the ice. Here's an odd man rush. Shoots it, and that one's stopped.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Germany's got the lead here late in this first period. Draisaitl's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Denies him on the slapper. Getting into the later stages of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Fiala. Fiala's got it along the wing. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Quick feed to Cahoon. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Team Switzerland's got the puck along the wall. Tries to get the puck over to Berchi.
1 minute left.
Clock ticking down here inside the first period. Love that hit. Team Germany's got the puck inside the defensive zone. And now he tries to get it across to Draisaitl. With possession along the wall. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. And a heads-up kick pass over to his teammate. And the defenders come up with the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Germany's got the puck in their own end. Dished on over to Cahoon. Right in front with the shot. Denies him in front. The horn sounds in the first period comes to an end. We've got a 1-0 game here after the first 20 minutes of play.
Are you looking for information on the stars of tomorrow today? Check out page 21 of the program or our website for profiles on farm team members.
Still lots of hockey still to come, so get ready here on EA Sports. Second period set to get underway. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
Barrett's likely the only reason that they're still in this game. He was fantastic in a busy first period.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Handles it along the blue line. And now it's over to Draisaitl. And we've got a 2-on-1. Switzerland's got the puck against the boards. Moves the puck. Here's a short pass to Hischier. Gets it back. Here's a chance. To his teammate. Makes the save and putting out the fire in front.
He'll check his stick after this. He makes the save on a really good scoring chance.
Team Germany's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. That's intercepted. Takes it across the blue line. Throws it on goal. Stopped by the goaltender. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Team Switzerland's got a hold of it along the wall. Slides the puck to Weber. Along the half wall with the puck. Germany's got the puck. Gives it right back. Slides it back to the blue line. Right in the slot. Denies him. Shot. There's another stop.
Oh, he's on it there. Both saves are really good ones.
Team Germany's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. Gotch has won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Reimer. Switzerland's looking to break out of their own end. Moves it around along the half wall. Centering pass! And he gets sandwiched into the wall.
That's really well played by the defensive player. He took away the angle, forced him into a spot, and then laid the hit.
And I think he's seen enough because he stops the play covering up the puck.
Oh, guys are going to be bent over trying to gasp for breath. They'll be in favor of that move. Thanks to the guys in the truck, we get a great look at that hit again. He slammed him into the wall. That one hurt.
Germany's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Quick pass to Boyle. Nice pass. Lets it go. Stopped by the goaltender. Another stop by the goaltender. And it's freed up over to his teammate with a nice kick pass. On the attack along the boards. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Snaps it on net. Makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker.
Oh, well done by the goaltender here, James. He makes the save, but he deflects it away at the same time.
And tries to make a diagonal pass to Reimer. Long pass up ahead to center. Shot. Beautiful glove stop on that one. Still lots of time left here in this frame. 1-0 the score. Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. Centering pass in front, and that one's broken up. Niederreiter's gaining momentum. Back to the blue line. Tees it up from the back end. Turns it away on the slap shot. Team Germany's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Deflected away, nice defensive use of the stick there. And they come up empty-handed. Germany's gained possession along the boards. Jostles the puck loose. Here they are on the attack. Puts it on net, completely misses on the play.
You don't even make the goalie work here. You've got to make him have to do something in the net.
Team Germany's got control of it now from their own end. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Out front, stopped by the goaltender. From the slot, fires away. Save made by the goalie. Tries to get it over to Mueller. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. Receives the pass. Hammers a shot. And the lane's clogged up blocking that. And the puck's kicked free. Levels them with the hit. Germany's got a hold of it against the wall. Moves it to Draisaitl. Cahoon's got it against the boards. Sends the pass over. Big time stop. And pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. Strong feed from along the boards. Misses a golden opportunity there. And some nice footwork to free the puck up to his teammate. Over the line they come. And they'll be forced to tag up after that missed pass. And the goalie leaves his crease to play the puck. Taken along the wall by Kukin. Tries to get it to Fiala. Puck sent over to Haas. And he moves it up to Berchi. Just a great defensive read there. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Angles it over to Haas. Slides the puck over. Great glove save.
Team Germany's relentless physical play has helped them get the lead in this game.
More than half the period left to play. We got a 1-0 game to this point. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Centering pass, and that's broken up with a stick in front. Puck scooped up by Kukin. Here's a chance. He gets a piece of it with a stick.
Smothered that in close chance.
Team Germany's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. Puck knocked loose after that hit. Big save. Germany's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Suitors won the faceoff. Grabbed along the board by Kukin. Turns the puck over. Great read defensively there. On the doorstep, and he easily stops that one. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him. Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Team Germany's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Slides that one right across the blue line. A chance from the slot. Turns it aside with the glove.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
More than half the period has expired. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Germany's got it now. Moves it quickly over to Weber. Puck grabbed by Suter. Team Germany's got the puck along the boards. With possession along the wall. Stick save by the goalie.
Really smooth stop here as he deflects this puck into the corner out of danger.
Into the corner of the attacking area. Takes a shot, and that banks off a stick. Big stop by the keeper.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
Spiza stick handling in his own zone. Quick feed to Hischier. Myers going to play it against the half wall. And that goes off the post and out.
Switzerland's luck continues to be bad. A shot off the post, and they still trail. Reimer's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Germany's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Hischier's won the draw, and he slides it quickly to Spiza. Niederreiter's got it near the point. Team Germany's got the puck along the wall. Here they come on the attack. Move to the middle, and that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. That's moved up ahead. Lays into the body on the play. And now he moves it to Holzer. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off.
There's a right time for every play. That's not it when you're ahead. Gotcha's dangerous, and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on. They've totally controlled the puck here on this shift. Now they've worn the opposition down. Eventually, you get a scoring chance, or they...
It up from the blue line. Answers the call with a big save.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Germany's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Team Switzerland's got a hold of it along the wall. Haas brings it in. Here's a shot. Rings the iron. Takes the pass. Wrestling in close. Oh, you can't miss that.
Now, somehow I got 408, James. You don't get any if you don't hit the net. Get it on target, man.
And I think about as big a stop as you can come up with so far tonight. That's a much-needed whistle there.
When you're running around in your zones, you're always yelling at the goalie, freeze it if you can. Finally, he jumps on it.
Team Germany's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. Germany's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Switzerland's gained possession along the boards. Oh, they forced the turnover. This could turn into something. Here's a shot, and there's the save. And now he angles it across to Fiala. They've got numbers. Fiala's got the puck. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Hammers a shot. What a stop. Team ball. Carries it in. From against the wall, it's centered out. And now he tries to get it across to Cajon. Oh, what a stop! Team Switzerland's got the puck along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Berchi. Berchi's got it in the offensive zone. Stops him cold. Switzerland's got the puck along the wall. Oh, my.
Sometimes it looks like a heavy hit, and it is. That one was devastating.
Nice defensive robbery on that. And now it's over to Suter. He's got a step. And that fizzles out.
I'm not sure what his intention was going to be there, James, but he ran out of real estate.
That was a great shot, but an even better save. Here's a short pass to Cajon. They've got the defense outnumbered. Into the corner. Lets it go. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Slides it across to Spiza. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Yossi. And now he moves it to Niederreiter. Here's an odd man rush. And he comes up with it.
That's a good... Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. A little too much nasty in the eyes of the official on that hit, charging the call, Ray.
I think there should be more charging penalties. You travel 35 or 40 feet to hit somebody. That should be a charging penalty.
Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the faceoff.
The power play can be so frustrating. When you get an opportunity and it doesn't go well, you start to press pretty quickly into it. Now's the time to relax, readjust, and attack again.
Germany's got a hold of it along the wall. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that's picked off. Retrieves the puck, trying to kickstart this power play. Along the half wall with the puck. Knocked away. Makes the save. Moves it around along the half wall. Quick pass to Spiza. Puck picked up by Spiza. Right on the doorstep. Comes up with the stop. And there's the horn to end the period. They threw everything but the kitchen sink, but they've run out of time.
Fans, don't forget our 50-50 draws coming up in the middle of the third period. Get your tickets now.
And we'll be right back for what should be a very intriguing third. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray, I'm James, and we are ready to kickstart this third period. Team Switzerland's penalty killers have their work cut out for them here, but a nice start to the period as they win the draw. Team Germany's gained possession along the boards. Carries it across the line. Sends it over. He scores! No, wait a second. They're calling it off here.
I think it's the right call, too, James. That was pretty quick. I like when the official is sure about his call.
Well, nobody likes having a goal called back, but they'll just have to play on as the puck's about to drop. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. And now he angles it across to Yossi. Takes the feed. Now a quick pass to Haas. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone. Here's a chance. Oh, he stopped that one. That was a fireball. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Fires it. Big-time save on a big-time shot. Moves it to Spiza. And now he tries to get it across to Hischer. Looks to set up at the point now. Moves it ahead from off the wall. Here's a chance. Just wide of the net. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Germany's got a hold of it against the wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Moves it quickly over to Holzer. Sends the pass down low. Moves the puck. Slides the puck down low. Steps in front of the shot. Switzerland's got the puck along the boards. On the attack along the boards. Centering pass. Here's a shot. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Slides the puck near the front of the net. And that carries off a stick. Picked up along the wall by Fiala. Spiza's got it across the line. Loses his balance on the play. Pokes the puck away. Scooped up along the wall by Spiza. Now he takes it over the line. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. And now it's over to Gotch. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Puts it on net. Redirected out front. Nice defensive robbery with the stick. And makes the save.
Yeah, it's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here.
Great reflexes, another save.
Yeah, it's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
Takes the puck behind the net. Move to the middle. Nice pass. Quick feed to Mueller. Airmails it.
Did he ever? He's got to bring that down a couple of feet.
And tries to make a diagonal pass to Mueller. Back to the point it goes. With the tip. Right on the doorstep.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
Gets control of the puck here in his own end. With possession along the wall. Here's a short pass to Mueller. Lets it fly. And that one's turned away. Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Moves the puck down low. Here's a shot. Team Germany's grabbed a hold of the puck. Quick pass to Kuhnhackl. And now he moves it quickly to Draisaitl. Handles the puck at the point. Hard blast. And that goes wide of everything. Takes it across the blue line. And it's a quick pass to Suter. And now he moves it to Siegenthaler. And puts it high over the net.
That's a long way to score in that position of the net. He's got to get it on the net more often to play for a rebound.
On the doorstep, here's a backhander, turns it away. Germany's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And now he angles it across to Niederreiter. Here they are on the attack. Puts one on net. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck in his chest. Team Germany's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Over the line they come. They've got numbers. Here's a shot with the stop. Germany's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Team Germany's trying to make something happen in the offensive zone. A chance right in front, and he gets a paddle on that one. Denies him again. Dishes it to Meyer. Here they come on the attack. Moves it to Meyer. Unloads a shot. That's off a stick. Centering pass. And he slides it quickly to Hischier. Puts it up front. Shot in front. Scores!
Well, the game back to level now. Anybody that's had a lead, the lead is gone, and now we're evened up again. This is a terrific shot. He beats the goaltender, but the goalie gets a chunk of it. Not enough. He can't slow it up.
Team Switzerland's made this must-see viewing down the stretch here, all tied up in the third.
They've had to work hard to get this game even. Now we'll see what they can do as it's a new game.
Scored by number 28, Timo Meyer.
Sends it in deep. Switzerland's got it from behind the net. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away.
28 seconds.
Moves the puck more to the middle. Loses possession after he takes a little hit. Great positioning by the defender. Mulligan's got it along the wing. Moves it quickly over to Mulligan. It's in the back of the net. He scores!
2 goals in 50 seconds. So quickly on the board.
Conversely, deflating for the other team.
Man, that is a kick in the shins right there. They just couldn't stop the bleeding. He's tight to the net. He doesn't have much time. And that snapshot beats the goaltender from the low slot.
Team Switzerland's found themselves a critical goal here late in the third period. Now a question is, hanging on, can they do it?
I think they can, but it has to be by being aggressive. You're now into the last half of the period. The clock goes pretty fast if you're aggressive.
Mueller's got it against the boards. Right in front of the net. Sails over the net. Germany's got the puck along the wall. Carries it in. Takes the feed at the point. And that's broken up. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Takes that pass back at the point. Takes the feed. Moves the puck along the half wall. And he regains control of the puck. Quick feed to Cahoon. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Receives the pass. Here's a short pass to Boyle. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Takes the feed at the back end. And that goes wide.
Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes a shot. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Feeds it to Cahoon. Cahoon's got it into offensive territory. And here's a shot. Comes up with the stop. Team Germany's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. Dreisaitl's won the draw here in the offensive zone. From one end of the blue line to the other. Back at the point, they set it up. Quick pass to Cahoon. Shot from the point. Oh, absolutely owns the crease tonight. Germany's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Hischers won a big draw on their own end. Into the offensive zone. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off.
The coach won't be very happy there. You want to make safe plays when you're in front.
And he slides it quickly to Reimer. Flips it at the net. He scores! And how about that team? It things up here late in the game.
Well, they just stayed at it, James. I don't know if there's anything particularly beautiful about the play, but it doesn't even matter. You keep plugging away and look for the tying goal. Not much room over on the stick side, but he makes a perfect shot. The goalie beaten low there.
Team Germany's goal has set up a thrilling finish here in this third period.
Really good work to get the game back to level. Now they have to continue to push, find the winner.
Scored by number 87.
Through center along the wing. Play whistle dead because of an offside.
Patrick Reimer. And by number 36, Yannick Seidenberg. Time of the goal, 14 minutes.
More than half the frame has been played here. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Gotch has won it from the neutral zone now. Puck dumped in. Switzerland's got the puck behind the net. Moves it to Reimer. Stopped by the goaltender. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Nice dish from the left wing. Takes a shot. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck to his chest.
Barrett's able to make the save, as we see here. This is a good scoring chance, but he's in good position.
A critical draw here. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Lets it fly. Denies him with a save. Here in the late goings of the period, the next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Haas wins it in the offensive zone. On the one-timer. And the puck leaves the offensive zone. They'll be forced to tag up. Here's a shot. And a beautiful stop by the glove. A big face-off here inside the offensive end. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Carries it across the line. Big-time glove save.
Wow, he's dialed in right now. That is an enormous save at this time of the game.
A big draw looming here in the offensive zone. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Germany's got a hold of it along the wall. He scores!
Well, they break the tie here, James. This game had been hotly contested since it's been level. They now have found a way to jump into the lead. James, when they look at the film tomorrow, that's not going to look very good. That's a pretty bad error that led to that goal against.
Team Switzerland's up by one now here in this third period.
You don't have much breathing room, but I guess it's better to be in front than behind. They'll want to continue to try to forecheck.
Scored by number 3.
Sends the pass over. Lays the body. With some momentum driving towards the net. From against the wall into the open ice. Along the half wall with the puck. Slides the puck over. Up along the wing. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's the pass. Here he is in front. Denied by the goaltender. Oh, and he tracks it perfectly in the offensive end. Oh, great play to use the wall handling the pass. Pass back to the point. Denies him on the play. Team Germany's got control of the puck. Kuhnhackl going to play it against the half wall. Quick feed down low. Into the corner now. Big time defensive play. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. Gets it over to Kuhnhackl. Down along the half wall. Puts it towards the net with the stop. Moves it quickly over to Hischier. Myers got it in the offensive end. Now a quick pass to Fiala. Huge steal at his own end.
That's a bad turnover, James. You can't really turn it over while you're ahead in that spot.
Gives them nothing in front.
1 minute left in the third
Less than
period.
60 seconds left in regulation. Sends it across. What a great read breaking up the pass. On the attack along the boards. Oh, just a textbook hit. Switzerland's gained possession along the boards. Trailing in this one, they have pulled the goalie and the extra attackers out. Just slide. Takes the pass. Team Switzerland's looking to break out of their own end. And now he moves it quickly to Gotch. Nice feed inside the offensive zone from the boards. Huge hit.
Oh, he got rattled hard.
They tied it up. They tied it up.
Well, right beside me, their bench just sprung to their feet. The guys are banging their sticks on the board. They are so happy. I think they all thought the game was gone. Oh, with the goalie crowding over on the bench now, they finally punch through. Good work to get to the puck, retrieve it, and finally they put it into the net.
A lot on the line here in this offensive zone faceoff. Quick feed to Gotch. Rocks him. Switzerland's got the puck. Moves the puck to Suter. Suter swooping in on the attack. Here's a short pass to Spiza. Puck leaves the zone, forcing a mass exodus. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. There's the horn to end period number 3. Still deadlocked here. That means overtime is coming up.
Join us for our next team practice, which will be open to the public. Admission is simply by donation, with all proceeds going to local charities.
We'll take a quick break. OT next. Get your sudden death OT pools going. Get your social media predictions. Overtime is underway, people. The glove making it look easy on the play. This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Right to the middle! Knocked away! Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. A chance on goal, and makes the save.
Draisaitl's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get leveled.
A critical draw here. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Picking up some steam at center ice. Here's a shot. Nothing.
Oh, man, he's frustrated with himself. He's got to get that on the net.
Backhander. Fantastic save. Directed over to Draisaitl. Here's an odd man rush. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Yossi's carrying it ahead for the win. And they'll play on. What a save.
Man, he is going to be disappointed when he looks at that. Well, you get no second chance, obviously, in overtime. He makes no mistake in turning that shot aside.
Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And now he tries to get it across to Spiza. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Taken by Spiza for the win, and he keeps it alive. What a stop. A big face-off here inside the offensive end. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Sends it out right in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Here's a chance. Grabs control of it at the point. Looking to make something happen along the boards. With possession along the wall. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Gets in front of it. Feeds the puck over to Mulligan. Wrist shot from the slot. Stopped by the goal.
Well, what a quick reflex stop that is. Great scoring chance.
Good job tangling up his opponent here. Grabs the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Move to the middle. Quick pass to Mueller. Right out in front. In front, the puck stopper gets on top of it. We'll get a little stoppage in play here, Ray.
Yep, goalies are going to jump on it as quick as they can anytime around the front of the net.
A big draw looming here in the offensive zone. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Scoops up the puck now. Takes it across the blue line. Drives it to the front of the net. Here's a chance! Oh, we are still tied! What a stop!
Oh, we're going to play on here. That's a great stop here in overtime. The game loosens up. The goalies have to be sharp.
Draisaitl's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Takes the feed. This one's still up for grabs in the final minute of sudden death. And he makes the save.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close. He takes away any room.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Big time save with the blocker. Right in the slot. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
Moves it to Meyer. Moves the puck along the half wall. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Shot right in front. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from? The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Team Switzerland's got it in the neutral zone. Here's a chance out front. A chance for the win. And he denies him with a monstrous save here in overtime. Holzer's got it across the line. Puts it to the front of the net. Chance right in front. Blocker saved by the goalkeeper. Niederreiter's got the puck in his own zone. Gets a hold of the puck here at his own end. All will have a face-off just outside the offensive zone.
I loved making that save in road hockey, the old blocker stop.
Puck is dropped and play resumes. Time runs out on OT, and we are heading for a shootout.
Just a friendly reminder about tonight's silent auction. All items can be viewed.
We are just moments away from the shootout. Stick around. Ray and I will bring you all the action next. I'm always amazed at the mixed emotions when we get to the shootout, as some people say they don't like it, the traditionalists, but guess what? Nobody's turning away when the moment of truth arrives. Off the post! No goal!
Didn't have much in the way of creativity there as he gets shut down.
Heischer's at center ice with the mindset, anything you can do, I can do better. Oh, what a save in front!
Next shooter for Team Germany, number 11, Nico Sturm.
Great read by the keeper to poke it away. Well, there's still no score in this shootout, but if he can snipe one here, shot scores!
Really good release here, James. He doesn't have that puck on his stick long, and it's past the goalie.
Stick work as he pokes it away. A winner, winner, gluten-free, vegan-friendly dinner, I guess, in this case here.
Oh, the shootout is relatively new, and they get nothing done in regulation, but they put it away here in the extra shootout.
Well, this one's in the books. A fun one tonight for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.